In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Google Calendar to HoneyBook, making it easier for you to manage your schedule efficiently. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone who likes to keep things organized, integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and keep everything in sync. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up HoneyBook on your device. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop for ease of use. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. There you'll see either your profile icon or your company logo. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find various options to customize your HoneyBook experience. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Company Settings. This section allows you to manage the core settings of your HoneyBook account, including integrations with other applications. Clicking here will take you to a new page where you can adjust your company-specific settings. Once you're in the company settings, focus your attention on the top of the page, where you'll find a series of tabs. Look for the one labeled Integrations and click on it. This tab is the gateway to connecting HoneyBook with other useful applications, such as Google Calendar. Now, scroll down until you see the Google Calendar section. This is where you'll be able to link your calendar directly to HoneyBook. You'll notice a button that says Connect. Click on this button to begin the integration process. At this point, you'll be prompted to follow the Google OAuth prompts. This is a secure way for Google to verify your identity while keeping all your information safe. Make sure you're signing in with your primary Gmail account, the one where your main calendar is located. If you're already signed in, you might just need to select your account from a list. Once you've signed in, you may be asked to grant HoneyBook permission to access your Google Calendar. This step is crucial because it allows HoneyBook to read your calendar events and even add new ones depending on your needs. Carefully review the permissions and click Allow if you're comfortable with them. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Calendar to HoneyBook. This integration will now help you keep track of your appointments, deadlines, and meetings all in one place. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're never double booked and can manage your time more effectively. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Regularly check your HoneyBook and Google Calendar settings to ensure everything is syncing correctly. Updates or changes in either platform might require you to re-authenticate or adjust settings. Keeping everything up to date will ensure seamless integration and smooth operation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made linking Google Calendar to HoneyBook a breeze for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workflow. See you in the next video.